We're just introducing and then you're gonna say, today we're gonna be covering, what is it?
Hey guys, my name is Daniel.
And I'm Narina.
And we're respiratory therapists at Lofton.
Today we're gonna be covering the AirTouch and the AirFit masks. Let's get started. Woo.
So the difference between the AirFit and the AirTouch mask is that the AirFit is a silicone material versus the AirTouch, which is memory foam. Now the AirFit variety, the silicone version, that's recommended for individuals who are new to CPAP or for individuals who don't have facial hair.
The AirTouch collection is going to be more for those that do have facial hair, maybe some sensitive skin, or just want a softer, more comfortable feel on their mask. So to start off, the AirTouch masks are only available with two style masks. It's going to be a traditional full face mask and a nasal mask.
So the full face mask options are going to be right here. It's the AirFit and AirTouch F20. The nasal options are going to be here. It's the AirFit and AirTouch N20. All right, so with the AirFit mask, the silicone cushions are meant to be replaced every 3 months.
And with the AirTouch mask, they should be replaced every month.
All right, so with the AirFit mask, you want to wipe this down daily or every other day with a damp cloth, just for cleanliness reasons and for good sleep hygiene. In addition to that, at least once a week, submerge it in warm soapy water for at least 10 to 15 minutes.
Awesome. Now when it comes to the AirTouch masks, you can't submerge these guys in water or it'll actually break down the memory foam. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe it down every day with a sanitizing wipe. You are welcome to use a UV ray cleaner like the Baptizer, and we'll link that in the description below. All right, so now that we've taken a look at both the AirTouch and the AirFit masks, let us know in the comments which one you think would be better for you.
And if you liked the video, hit the like button and also subscribe. Also let us know what type of videos you'd like to see. See you next time.
See you next time. We didn't even plan that.
Nailed it.